Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the trends in our society that impact our personal multidimensional wealth and the impact of these trends on our lives. Today, we're tackling an important topic that affects us all in this digital age. It's time to reflect on how we consume media and spend our time. Have you ever found yourself spending hours binge-watching your favorite TV series or endlessly scrolling through social media feeds? We've all been there. The convenience and allure of digital media have captivated us, offering entertainment and information at our fingertips. But amidst this virtual world, we may have unintentionally started living our lives vicariously through screens, experiencing adventures and emotions secondhand. We've become disconnected from the beauty of the real world and the thrill of genuine human experiences. In Apple's new Vision Pro augmented reality headset, this trend is likely to accelerate the trend of disconnecting from the real world and increasingly perceiving and interacting with the world around us through a digital interface instead of in person. With the Vision Pro, Apple seeks to bridge the gap between the digital and physical realms, offering immersive experiences that blend technology seamlessly into our lives. But here's the catch. While this advancement may be exciting and even cool, it raises a crucial question about our own engagement with the world around us. What happens if we rely solely on virtual experiences and forfeit our own adventures, challenges, and personal growth? Are we risking a future where our memories are constructed through pixels and algorithms, rather than real-life moments of triumph and self-discovery? It's time for us to reclaim our lives, seek genuine connections, and embark on our own unique journeys. Let's not settle for living vicariously through the digital narratives crafted by others. Instead, let's step outside, embrace real-world experiences, and create memories that are truly our own. This is the essence of real and lasting wealth. In our quest for true and lasting happiness, it's crucial to address the potential problems that arise when we isolate ourselves within a digital counterfeit of the real world. While technology has undoubtedly enhanced our lives in numerous ways, we must be mindful of its limitations and the unintended consequences it may bring. Immersing ourselves in a digital world filled with social media, TV, movies, games, and augmented reality can lead to superficial connections and a sense of disconnection from genuine human interactions. Online interactions almost always lack the depth, nuance, and emotional connection that real-life experiences provide. Engaging in excessive digital media consumption becomes a really dangerous form of escapism, a way to avoid facing real-life challenges or uncomfortable emotions. It's essential to strike a balance and confront our fears, insecurities, and personal growth opportunities in the real world. Digital media often presents idealized versions of life, leading to constant comparison and a sense of inadequacy. When we seek happiness solely through virtual experiences, we may find ourselves trapped in a cycle of comparison, chasing an unattainable digital ideal. Spending excessive time in front of screens can have detrimental effects on our physical and mental well-being. Sedentary lifestyles, eye strain, sleep disruption, and increased anxiety are some of the potential consequences of excessive digital immersion. A study reported in the National Library of Medicine reported that excessive use of social media sites and applications was reported to be associated with depressive symptoms. The study determined a strong association between social media use and depressive symptoms. Constant engagement with digital media can prevent us from fully experiencing the present moment. Instead of savoring real-life experiences and embracing the richness of the world around us, we may become detached, living in a perpetual state of distraction. In a digital counterfeit of the real world, we risk losing touch with our authentic selves. By constantly consuming curated content, we may inadvertently shape our identities based on external influences rather than our true values, passions, and aspirations. Real-life experiences offer countless opportunities for personal growth, learning, and self-discovery. By isolating ourselves within a digital bubble, we will absolutely miss out on valuable experiences, challenges, and the chance to cultivate a genuine sense of fulfillment and happiness, not to mention focusing on fostering deep, loving, and meaningful lives. As we navigate the digital landscape, it's crucial to strike a balance between the benefits of technology and the need for authentic, real-life experiences. By consciously engaging with the world around us, nurturing meaningful relationships, and seeking genuine connections, we can find true happiness and fulfillment that goes beyond the limitations of the digital realm. Apple's Vision Pro augmented reality headset holds the promise of an immersive and advanced digital experience, but it also raises concerns about the potential for even more increased isolation. Think about this. With the advancements in augmented reality technology, the Vision Pro headset could provide users with highly realistic and captivating digital environments. While this offers new opportunities for entertainment and exploration, it may also lead individuals to retreat even further into a digital realm, disconnecting from real-life interactions and experiences. As augmented reality experiences become more engaging and captivating, there is a real risk that users may spend excessive amounts of time immersed in virtual environments, leading to reduced face-to-face social interactions and fewer opportunities for real-world experiences. This could contribute to extreme feelings of isolation and loneliness. The immersive nature of the Vision Pro headset could also reinforce the phenomenon of filter bubbles, where individuals are exposed to personalized content that aligns with only their existing beliefs and interests. This can limit exposure to diverse perspectives and create echo chambers, further isolating users from differing viewpoints and challenging discussions. And spending extended periods engaged in augmented reality experiences may lead to a sedentary lifestyle and a decline in physical activity. This will have negative implications for overall health and well-being, including increased risks of obesity, cardiovascular issues, and other related health concerns. As with any technological advancement, it is crucial to consider the potential consequences and actively seek a balance between digital engagement and real-world experiences to ensure a healthy, enriching, and fulfilling life. Sarah Williams, the founder of the Tough Girl Challenges, made a transformation in her life. She was working a corporate job, spending most of her time immersed in work and digital media, and feeling unfulfilled. She realized that her life was passing her by, and she wanted to break free from the virtual world to explore her own potential and discover her true passions. Sarah made a bold decision to quit her job and embarked on a journey of personal exploration and adventure. She sought physical challenges such as long-distance hiking, marathons, and triathlons, pushing her limits and expanding her horizons. Through these experiences, she discovered her passion for outdoor adventure and empowering women to overcome their own challenges. Motivated by her newfound purpose, Sarah launched the Tough Girl Challenges platform, where she shares her journey, challenges, and interviews inspiring women who have overcome obstacles and achieved remarkable feats. Through her platform, Sarah inspires others to step out of their comfort zones, live authentically, and pursue their own adventures. Sarah's story showcases the transformative power of embracing the real world and pursuing personal passions outside the realm of digital media. By breaking free from the confines of living vicariously, she not only found fulfillment and meaning in her own life, but also created a positive impact on others, inspiring them to pursue their dreams and live life to the fullest. Let's discuss some practical steps to stop living vicariously so much and focus more on living in the real world. First of all, limit the time you spend on digital media. Second, really focus on your own personal development. Learn some new skills. Set some achievable goals for self-improvement. Third, emphasize real-world interactions. This will mean spending more time with family and friends, enjoying nature, etc. And fourth, practice being present in each moment. Look people in the eye, listen to them. Learn what's important to them. Love them and help them. Living your lives to the fullest in the real world offers numerous rewards and benefits that surpass the digital replica of reality. Here are some potential rewards that await you. By actively engaging in the real world, you will have the opportunity to create more authentic experiences that are unique to you. These experiences can range from traveling to new places, building genuine relationships, pursuing your passions, or facing and overcoming challenges. Such experiences add depth, richness, and meaning to your life. Stepping out of the digital realm a little more often allows you to grow and develop as an individual. You can discover your strengths, explore your interests, and learn from real-life interactions and situations. By facing challenges and embracing new experiences, you will develop more resilience, adaptability, and a greater understanding of yourself. It's amazing how the real world offers opportunities for genuine human connections. By interacting face-to-face with others, you can build deeper and more meaningful relationships, cultivate empathy and understanding, and develop a sense of belonging. These connections provide emotional support, collaboration, and a sense of community. Engaging in real-world activities promotes physical well-being. Whether it's participating in outdoor adventures, pursuing active hobbies, or simply being present in the physical environment, you will benefit from improved physical health, increased energy levels, and enhanced overall well-being. Embracing the real world head-on allows you to expand your horizons and broaden your perspectives. You can learn about different cultures, explore diverse viewpoints, and gain a deeper understanding of the world around you. This exposure fosters personal growth, empathy, and a more nuanced worldview. And finally, by living our own lives in the real world, we have the potential to find true fulfillment and meaning. Engaging in activities that align with your values, passions, and aspirations will bring an increased sense of purpose and satisfaction. It enables you to live more authentically and create a life that is uniquely yours. This really is an important part of a truly wealthy lifestyle. By embracing the richness and opportunities of the real world, you can create a life that is more vibrant, meaningful, and fulfilling than any digital replica could ever provide. Begin today to reclaim your life from the digital realm. Balance using technology and living real life. I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments section and start your journey to stop living vicariously. Please remember to subscribe and share this video with others who might benefit from the message, and we'll see you in the next one.